Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin did break out of the channel to the upside as indicated in the last video. That could be an early indication that this move to the upside is finished. The move to the downside is finished. We've got a few scenarios we want to talk about here. The first idea is obviously that the low could be in. As explained in previous videos, we actually reached the support area on Binance and Coinbase, not here on Bitstamp, so I might switch to another data source. But because we reached it, we came to the $16,700 level, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. You can see that here. That is when we needed to be on high alert that the move to the upside can occur. So we reacted to the 50% retracement, and the break of the channel, that's why we've got it on here, is an early indication that the move down could be finished. So we could say, let me just see. And again, that's one problem. I think on other exchanges, this low is a little bit, let me just double check. Let's check Binance. And again, if this stuff continues, it's a much higher low. It just doesn't help with the wave count if you have Bitstamp inaccuracies on here. Binance as well, so I'll probably switch to Binance for one of the next videos. But let's just assume, because of those inaccuracies, that the low could have been in here. Target reached. Wave 2 could be done. This could be a 1-2 setup, and we could now be moving up in wave 3. But it's a very early indication, so to really confirm that a bottom has been made, we can carefully assume it at the moment, but I'm not entirely convinced. I want to see a move above the wave B high to get more clarity here. That is when I will confirm a bottom has been made here. That wave B high, well, I will most likely confirm that. It depends a little bit on the structure that is moving up here. The B wave high here is at 17,130. I want to get a move above that. And until then, what we have here, because we really only touched the support area, all of this could just be a WXY pattern. So if the move to the upside remains a 3-wave move, at the moment we've got 3 waves, ABC, then it could just be an X wave and we come down in Y. So it would just extend this entire correction where we've got ABC. What we would now expect after ABC is basically a 5-wave move up. If we don't get 5 waves, if we only get 3 waves, it's most likely an X wave, and we will come down once more in wave Y, which would be another ABC. No problem with that, because we can still max out this entire green support area, and we could still be in this wave 2. So the green count is basically the option that we can use if the move up does not become a 5-wave structure. So if we come down afterwards, make a lower low here, break basically below 16,700 again, then my view is that we are in a Y wave. If we then drop below 16,300, that is when this 1-2 setup that we've got on the chart here, wave 1, wave 2, with the wave 3 now to follow, and let me just move that across. It all takes a bit longer here, all these movements, if we drop below 16.3k, this wave 2 will get unrealistic, and it means that this bullish count 1, 2, 3 to the upside into the region around 19k, that this short-term bullish count will basically be unlikely. Then we've got the bearish alternative. This would become live and the main count if we drop below 16.3k, and it would assume we're actually moving down in 5 waves, and that would be an impulse down. It would be my preferred count if we really drop below 16.3k. As per this orange count, we've already done a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, here another small 1-2 setup of 3, then a 4 and 5, and that would take us probably directly into the region between 14 and 14.5k. So it's got different things to watch out for now. Main thing we need to look out for now, is this going to remain a 3-wave move up, or is it a 5-wave move? And that will help us determine, are we in an X wave, or is this already a 1-2 setup, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5? And if we then push above 17,130, we can say a low has been made here already. So it's getting interesting now. It's getting interesting. A lot of uncertainty currently there in the market, which is no surprise in some kind of a bottom structure here that potentially could be forming. By the way, it is still this large inverse head and shoulders, which is possibly at play here, with a neckline around 17,250. Yeah, which is also something interesting. But yeah, besides that, this is what we need to look out for: 3-wave move up or 5-wave move up. And other than that, I showed you in the previous video also this ascending trend line here. You can see we touched it here, at least on the Bitstamp chart, which is also interesting. So we found support here basically for a pullback trade, and also touched here my support area, at least on Binance and Coinbase. So yeah, short-term upside still possible, still the primary expectation. But in the short term, depending on what happens here now, we can still, in the current wave pattern of a wave 2, we can still max out this green support area. It wouldn't be a problem. Okay, and that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.